What's up, guys? It's your girl Rosa. I am back. How y'all been, roses? How have y'all been? I feel like it's been a couple months. I've just been so busy. As you can see, I have a different background of scenery. Yes, I am in a dorm room, which means what? She's in college. Hey. I'm so sorry for like this flickering light right here. These are my fingers, but like this flickering light, that's the sun. I'm trying to get like the natural sunlight for this video right now. I'm so excited to get back into YouTube. I've obviously only done one video, but that video took a long time. If y'all knew the back of YouTube and everything, y'all would be like, damn, that's commitment. But anyways, let's hop right into it today. What are we gonna do? I'm down for a fall look. Let's do it. Where I live right now, there's like so scenic. It's like fall leaves and mountains and blah blah blah, but when you get outside it's freezing. Today I'm going to do my eyebrows, and how I'm going to fill them in is with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is in the color medium brown. Y'all already know how I feel about this product. It's bomb.com. I think it's like a good like starting point for beginners, because I feel like pomades are just like, they're just like so intense. Like one swipe and boom, your whole eyebrow could be finished. This brush that I'm using is from AOA Studio. This is the E133. Alright guys, now that we have done the eyebrows, we are going to moisturize, and I like to moisturize with the Tatcha water cream. Alrighty guys, now that we have that on, I'm going to spray this Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray by Makeup Revolution. I'm using a matte foundation today. Spraying this will hopefully give it a little glow. Today I am using the Fenty foundation. I am using the color 320. To apply this on my face, I'm going to use the Fenty foundation brush. This is the 110 brush. She only has one foundation brush, so this should not be hard for you guys to find if you wanted to purchase it. And this is a buildable foundation too. So if you wanted that plastic foundation look with this foundation, you could get it 100%. Yeah, I don't like to apply under my eyes because my eyes like crease really fast. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution spray and then just use my Real Technique sponge. Okay, so next I am going to contour my face, and I am contouring with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and this is in the color Espresso. I'm going to take my Fenty foundation brush again, and I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to conceal my face. I'm going to use two colors from Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. I am using the color C10 and C12. I like to mix because I kind of got the wrong colors with these, but like one is kind of like a shade or two lighter than my foundation color, and then the other one is like a couple shades. So I like it to be like a couple shades and like the same shade at my at the same time. C10 at the top of my eye, a little here. And then I'm going to use C12 at the bottom. The bottom of my eye. I'm gonna dab a little bit in here. Then I'm going to really use it in my forehead. To blend this all out, I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge. I'm actually gonna spray this again with the Makeup Revolution spray and then just dab this out. We're gonna bronze the face. I love this bronzer right here. This is the Morphe bronzer in the color Debutante. This is like the mini. And to contour my face today, I'm going to use this Pro Small Blush Sephora brush, and this is number 74. Next thing I'm going to do is set my face. So I use a combination of setting powders. I use 3 to 4. Sometimes I use the Makeup Revolution one, the banana powder. I use the Kat Von D Locka powder in the color Golden. I use the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder, but this is in the color Light. And I also use the Huda Beauty powder, and this is in the color Pound Cake. Start with the Kat Von D Lock-It powder. Now I'm going to take this Esteta powder brush. This is the P12. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just going to take my Real Technique sponge again and then just do my expression lines. I'm gonna take this Sephora brush. This came in a holiday packet. It's like a double-ended brush. It's like contour, and then I'm gonna guess a powder brush. I'm just gonna sweep my face again. And then I'm going to take this Y11 brush and take my Huda Beauty powder. I'm just gonna take a tiny little bit. I'm just gonna pretty much use this as brightening powder. Then I'm just going to spray this on my face and then just give myself a little like color back, you know, guys? I'm gonna take my Real Techniques and just blend this in. We're gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer for this. I'm gonna use C12 for this one. And then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer brush and then just like blend this out. We're gonna use 3 palettes today. These are the palettes we're gonna use. They're all Morphe palettes. They're really good. This one. This is the Morphe 350. I'm going to take this Morphe M518. I'm going to take this Sephora brush. This also came in like a holiday collection. It doesn't have a number. It's double-sided. I'm going to use this side of the brush. I'm going to take this orange right here and just pat it on here. We're going to hop into the Jaclyn Hill palette now. Take an Anastasia brush. This is like the ones that come in like the palettes. I am taking the color Creamsicle. This is my favorite color in this palette. It's this one right here. It's just yellow and it's so pretty. I think I might put something just like in the crease to deepen it. So I'm gonna take this Morphe E36 brush right here, and I'm just going to pick, I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm also going to take this M321 brush. I'm going to go into the other Morphe palette. And this is the 9A palette. And I'm going to take this color right here, this gold. It's super pretty. And it's called Surprise. I'm just gonna take that M321 brush again and then just blend this gold color in. Gonna do a highlighter, and I'm using the Amazing highlight by Anastasia Beverly Hills today. And I'm going to use a Morphe E61 brush. And I'm going to spray my Makeup Revolution spray on it first so that we get the full effect, guys. It's just such a pretty highlighter. Glowing. Ping, ping. Put on blush. This blush is by Note, and this is in the color Desert Rose. This blush is so pretty. I love like peach blushes. That's what this like type of brush is. This is an angle brush. This has no number. My mom's had it for years. I'm sorry. Next, I'm gonna do mascara. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever exclusive lash mascara. I switched mascaras, guys. That just wasn't cutting it for me. So I switched to the MAC Pro Beyond Twisted Lash Mascara. We are going to line our lips, and I'm using the KKW Beauty lip liner. This is in the color Nude 2. But today we're just gonna do gloss and liner, and we're going to use the Fenty Beauty gloss in the color Fenty Glow. Alright guys, for the last spray we're going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. We forgot to put brow gel on. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. Highlight the brow bone. And we're going to use this e.l.f. Smaltold brush. Guys, this is our face in the end. Woo! I just look so glowy, and I love that. I don't love like matte type stuff, you know. Matte doesn't like look amazing on me, so to have like a little glow is something that I strive for. I love highlighter. I think highlighter is like my favorite part of my process. Like, I really do think that the Makeup Revolution spray helped a lot. Like, it just makes you just like so extra glowy, and like we sprayed it a lot, so I think it really did help. The Chavis lip combo is so cute too. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your post notifications, add me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, add me on my makeup Instagram. I'll tag my makeup Instagram down below, and I'll also be putting all the products that I used in this tutorial down below this time too. I know I didn't do that last time. Tell me if you guys want me to do that. Some YouTubers do it, some YouTubers don't, but let me know if you guys want me to do that. I would be so open to doing that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye, roses.